All right, welcome back to the final video of how to build and design a mobile application using Figma Design Tool. So at this point, we're going to go through how to create comments in the context of a design. It's pretty simple, and then we'll have some final thoughts and going forward. So let's go ahead, and we're on the Figma design file that you downloaded. Let's go back to our Learning Page tab where we built out the prototype here. And I'll show you how you and your teammates and other people can share comments based off the design that you're seeing here. So let's go over here and let's create a couple comments. So if you see at the top left, the toolbar here at the top left, there's a little speaker bubble icon. Go ahead and click on that, and that will show comments, but also give you the ability to drop a comment. So let's go ahead and drop a comment. Let's say, let's drop a comment on the map here. And I'm going to write, let's zoom out the map a little bit. And I placed a comment there. And so what's nice is you can see that the comment is in context to the design element in which I'm commenting about, which makes it really easy to understand your teammates when they give you feedback on your design at what they're referring to. You can maybe go to this line here is like line up the line opacity. And without the context, if you just read a comment that said up the line opacity, you wouldn't know what this person was referring to, but since they have dropped this comment right on the line, you have an idea of that change. And again, let's say that was a change we needed to make. That's why we have the component library here, is all you have to do now is go grab this line, and let's up the opacity to 40% now, and let's go back to our learning page, and now every line on every single page has been updated in that area. So that's why we make those components. It makes it really easy to make changes like that come in sometimes through the commenting. Let's go back and say that I want to review my comments again. All you have to do is click on it, and you'll see the comments and where they exist. And you'll also see on the right here, you'll see a list view of all the comments that happened here. Once I've completed a comment, I can click on the resolve here, and that goes away. So that's how you resolve a comment and go away. Another one I want to make here is, let's just do a test comment here, is I can tag people by doing the @. And here's a list of people that I have on my project, and I can tag them with this comment. So let's see if I can tag myself. Okay, cool. And I'll go ahead and tag myself here. And this will notify me. I'll get an email that somebody has left a comment within my Figma design file. And so I can find the comments here, but I can also see them through email notifications, which makes it easy to manage a lot of comments coming in. So somebody will leave me a comment, I'll go in, they tag me in it, I read the comment, and I may resolve or have a conversation with them. So that's pretty much the essence of commenting and how comments work. You can see them again. Once you go away from the comment icon, they disappear. So remember that. You won't be able to see them until you click on the comment icon here at the top. That's to add and show comments. And then you can go around and click as many comments as you want to. And we'll just final up. This button is awesome. Let's do a nice comment. We'll do like a little emoji here, like thumbs up. Cool. There you go. All right, so that's comments in a nutshell. And the last thing is just some final thoughts and going forward. So again, there's lots more stuff we can cover in Figma. I've covered mostly the basics of prototyping and transitions within the prototypes and how to design this mobile application here. Hope you got some value out of it. My final thought is just it takes practice, just continually practice on it. We did a mobile application. If you wanted to do, say, a web version, I made a new page here, call it web, go to your artboard here, and you can grab a desktop version here. Let's go ahead and do like a MacBook. And you can design out a website as well. So it's not only just for mobile applications. You can do pretty much any screen size here and prototype any user experience that you go for. And also going forward, make sure to download the Figma Mirror application on your mobile device, especially if you're doing mobile user experiences. And this allows you to see the mobile screen designs directly on your phone, so you can see how they would look on the phone. That's really important. And if you want to stay connected with me, you can go to my website. It's aaronlawrencedesign.com. And you can come here and see links to my work. You can contact me directly through the site here. You go to contact, very here on the bottom. You can see some of my work. And yeah, going forward, I wish you the best. I hope this was valuable for you. And I also have a couple more classes that you can check out on user experience design. If you just search my name, or find some of my videos by typing in UX/UI design, and you'll see me on another class that further deep dives into the entire UX process that's laid out here, where we go through goal setting, problems and assumptions. I teach you how to talk to users and customers, how to synthesize and theme your insights that you learned. You're looking for identification of user needs and validations, and then coming up with experiments to validate your hypothesis on what you think will work, or how you would solve a user need or a problem. And you'll create an interaction model or a prototype, and how to test that prototype, and then how to collaborate with product managers, engineers, and execute on the designs that you have. And then a continuation of building and measuring and learning that process of launching software and learning how to iterate and change to become successful. Okay, well, there you have it. Thanks again, and I hope you the best, and I'll see you on the next class. Bye.